Christmas is coming, and it's time for the ultimate Christmas dish. What's up, my little pistachios, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are making a Christmas tree spinach dip breadstick appetizer. This appetizer's cool, it's easy, it's got that wow factor. Let's get into this. Let's make this thing. Recipe is in the description below. Come on, let's go start making the spinach filling. Let's go. So we're starting out with 12 ounces of frozen spinach, thawed. I have this thawing out in a bowl of water. All right, we're gonna come over to the old sink here and drain out our spinach with a strainer. We wanna get all that excess water out of there. And we're gonna add that spinach to our mixing bowl, along with 6 ounces of cream cheese, 2 cloves of minced garlic, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of basil, and half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And mix that up. We got this mixed up, we're already ready to start making our Christmas tree. This is so easy. All right, to make the tree, you're gonna need one of these. This is Pillsbury thin crust pizza crust, also known as one of the scariest things to open. Let's do this. All right, press right here. What? God! Conquer your fears, little pistachio. Conquer your fears. Let's go lay this out. All right, let's get this out on our cutting board, and we're just gonna roll it out. All right, this cutting board's not big enough. Let's transfer over to some parchment paper. All right, so you got kind of this makeshift rectangle. We're gonna take a pizza cutter. We're gonna cut out 3 triangles. From this corner, we're gonna go up to the middle, and we're gonna do the same with this one. All right, we're gonna transfer this middle one over to our cutting board, and we're gonna flip these side ones around to make our tree. And we'll kind of mush these two together. All right, we're just gonna transfer this onto a baking sheet. Boom. I'm just gonna take some of this excess off the top and make a little stump for the bottom. Now all we gotta do is dump our mixture on and spread it out. I'm gonna just get in there with my hands. Oh, this is way easier. All right, and that's starting to look like a tree. Now let's just grab our other layer of pizza dough and throw it right on top. And just kind of line it up. Now we're just gonna cut some strips in there, only going up to the trunk. And same on the other side. Last step, we're just gonna twist these guys up. This is the fun part. All right, we got our Christmas tree done. That's going into a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. We're gonna cook that for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's make some garlic butter sauce. All right, we got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. To that, we're gonna add a clove of minced garlic, along with a 1/4 teaspoon each of oregano and basil. We're gonna finish that off with a half a teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna stir that up quick. Boom, and done. All right, and this is ready to go. 20 minutes, and check that out. This looks awesome. All right, let's put that down. We're gonna finish it off with our garlic butter. And check it out, we got ourselves an awesome looking Christmas appetizer. Let's give it a try. All right, check that out. Oh man, that spinach dip, that bread. Oh man, that Parmesan is coming through, the garlic. This is a winner. You have a Christmas at your house, you make this, or if you're bringing this somewhere, this is gonna get some attention. Christmas tree spinach dip breadsticks. Christmas tree spinach dip breadsticks. Christmas tree spinach dip breadsticks. Shout out to itsalwaysautumn.com for this recipe idea. And thank you for watching.